the way your endocannabinoid system works is definitely, you know, you have to have a little bit of THC to be able to whole cannabinoid system to work right away.
Right.
But you know, everything is layering. So, you know, if somebody's only using CBD, it's going to take them a little while to get that cannabinoid system to be able to pick that CBD up. But in time, it will, and it will start firing those synapses and firing the receptors. Now, you'll see, like, you know, I'll see if I can't dig up some of my old receptor pictures that I had, because I was doing some crazy research. But you'll find in a patient that's never used cannabis, their cannabinoid, their endocannabinoid like receptors are almost disintegrated. They're falling down. They look really crappy. You get them a little bit of full spectrum, that full spectrum tincture that Zevin was talking about originally, and you'll find those receptors in even one single dose start standing up and completely connecting the electrical system, because essentially your endocannabinoid system is the electrical system of part of your electrical system of your body. And so without being able to have the cannabinoids there, that electrical system doesn't even function. It doesn't work.
Yeah.
So you do need a full broad spectrum of cannabinoids to get it to work properly.
Okay.
But there is ways to make it work without. It just takes a little longer.